Have you ever walked into a beautifully designed home and wondered why it feels so fresh, calm, and inviting? The secret might not be expensive furniture or luxury decorations. It could be indoor plants. With the right placement and styling, plants can completely transform any room, making it brighter, more modern, and full of life. Whether you live in a cozy apartment or a spacious house, adding greenery is one of the easiest and most affordable ways to elevate your interior. In today's video, we'll explore 14 modern indoor plant decor ideas that will instantly refresh your home and inspire your next decorating project. Idea number 1. Create a living corner with tall statement plants. Every room has an empty corner that often goes unnoticed. But that unused space can become the highlight of your home with one tall statement plant. Large plants like a fiddle-leaf fig, bird of paradise, rubber plant, or Kentia palm instantly draw attention upward, making ceilings appear higher while adding natural elegance. Place the plant in a sleek ceramic pot or a woven basket that complements your decor style. Position it near a bright window where it receives indirect sunlight, allowing the foliage to thrive. This simple addition creates balance, fills awkward spaces beautifully, and gives your room a luxurious, designer-inspired appearance. Idea number 2, style floating shelves with small plants. Floating shelves become much more interesting when greenery is mixed with decorative accessories. Instead of displaying only books or picture frames, add compact plants like pothos, peperomia, string of pearls, or small ZZ plants between your favorite decor pieces. Alternate different plant heights and allow trailing vines to gently spill over the edges for a relaxed, modern look. Keep the arrangement balanced by leaving open spaces so the shelves never appear crowded. Combining natural greenery with candles, sculptures, and framed artwork creates depth, texture, and warmth, making your shelves feel thoughtfully styled while maintaining a clean, contemporary aesthetic. Idea number 3. Hang plants near bright windows. If you're short on floor space, look up instead of out. Hanging plants are one of the easiest ways to introduce greenery without making a room feel crowded. Install simple ceiling hooks and display spider plants, English ivy, Boston ferns, or trailing pothos in elegant macrame hangers. Position them close to bright windows where they receive filtered sunlight, encouraging healthy growth while creating beautiful cascading foliage. The flowing leaves naturally soften windows, add movement, and make ceilings feel taller. This decorating technique works especially well in apartments, creating a fresh atmosphere while maximizing every inch of available space. Idea number 4. Design a minimalist console table. Display. Your entryway sets the tone for your entire home, making it the perfect place for a stylish plant display. Start with a simple console table and place one medium-sized leafy plant in a modern ceramic planter as the centerpiece. Add a few carefully chosen accessories like stacked books, a scented candle, a sculptural vase, or a round mirror behind the arrangement. Keep the color palette neutral with whites, blacks, natural wood, and lush green foliage. Avoid overcrowding the surface. A clean, minimalist arrangement feels elegant, welcoming, and timeless while giving guests a wonderful first impression the moment they arrive. Idea number 5. Transform your bathroom into a spa with plants. Bathrooms are often overlooked when decorating with plants, yet they can provide the perfect environment for many tropical varieties. The natural humidity from showers helps plants like peace lilies, ferns, calatheas, and pothos thrive with minimal effort. Place a lush fern on a shelf. Let a trailing pothos cascade from a cabinet, or position a large leafy plant beside the bathtub to create a luxurious spa-like retreat. Choose simple ceramic pots in neutral tones to maintain a modern look. With just a few carefully placed plants, your bathroom can feel brighter, fresher, and more relaxing every single day. Idea number 6. Mix different planter materials for texture. 100 words. Modern interiors become far more interesting when different textures work together. Instead of using identical pots throughout your home, combine matte ceramic planters, woven baskets, concrete containers, terrazzo finishes, and wooden plant stands. Keeping a consistent neutral color palette while varying materials creates visual depth without making the space feel busy. The contrast between smooth ceramics, rough concrete, and natural woven fibers enhances the beauty of every plant. This simple styling technique adds warmth and personality while maintaining a clean contemporary appearance. Thoughtfully chosen planters can be just as decorative as the plants growing inside them. Idea number 7. Create beautiful layers with plant. Stands displaying every plant directly on the floor can make a room feel flat and uninspiring. Instead, introduce wooden or metal plant stands to create different heights throughout your space. Place taller plants on the floor, medium-sized plants on stands, and smaller varieties on side tables or shelves. This layered arrangement naturally guides the eye around the room while giving each plant its own place to shine. Elevating certain plants also helps them receive better light and improves air circulation. Interior designers frequently use varying heights because they create balance, dimension, and a polished look that instantly feels professionally styled. Idea number 8. Style. Your coffee table with living greenery. A beautifully decorated coffee table doesn't need dozens of accessories to make an impression. One carefully selected plant can become the centerpiece that ties everything together. Choose compact plants like a Chinese money plant, mini monstera, haworthia, or a stylish succulent arrangement. Pair it with a stack of coffee table books, a decorative tray, and perhaps a candle for added warmth. Leave enough empty space so the table remains practical and uncluttered. The fresh greenery softens hard furniture lines, introduces natural color, and creates a welcoming focal point that guests immediately notice when entering your living room. Idea number 9. Turn your windowsill into a mini indoor garden. Sunny windowsill offers the perfect opportunity to create a charming indoor garden without taking up valuable floor space. Arrange a collection of small plants such as succulents, cacti, African violets, herbs, or miniature orchids in matching pots for a clean, cohesive appearance. Allow each plant enough room to grow while keeping the arrangement balanced and organized. Natural sunlight highlights the colors, textures, and unique shapes of every leaf, bringing life to the entire room. This simple decorating idea adds freshness, maximizes unused space, and creates a cheerful display you'll enjoy every time you look out the window. Idea number 10. Bring life to open kitchen shelves with fresh herbs. Your kitchen can become both beautiful and practical by decorating with fresh herbs. Place basil, mint, rosemary, thyme, or parsley in matching ceramic pots along open shelves or sunny windows. These vibrant green plants soften hard kitchen materials like stone countertops, wood cabinets, and stainless steel appliances while providing fresh ingredients for everyday cooking. Keep the arrangement simple by using identical containers and leaving space between each plant for a clean, modern appearance. Caring for fresh herbs is rewarding because they not only improve your decor, but also fill your kitchen with delightful natural fragrance. Idea number 11. Add calm to your bedroom with bedside plants. Your bedroom should be a peaceful retreat, and a small indoor plant can help create that relaxing atmosphere. Choose low-maintenance plants like snake plants, ZZ plants, or compact peace lilies that fit comfortably on a bedside table or dresser. Pair the greenery with warm lighting, soft linens, and neutral colors to create a soothing environment perfect for winding down after a long day. Avoid overcrowding your nightstand with too many decorations. Instead, let one beautiful plant become the natural focal point. The simple presence of greenery makes your bedroom feel fresher, calmer, and more inviting every evening. Idea number 12. Decorate with a monochromatic green theme. A modern home doesn't always need bold colors to make a statement. Instead, Create visual interest by combining different shades of green through a variety of indoor plants. Mix the broad leaves of monstera, the upright structure of snake plants, the trailing vines of pothos, and the delicate texture of ferns. Although every plant shares a similar color, their unique shapes and leaf patterns create beautiful contrast. Pair them with white walls, light wood furniture, and simple decor to maintain a clean aesthetic. This monochromatic approach feels sophisticated, timeless, and naturally refreshing throughout your living space. Idea Buster 13. Design a stunning indoor plant wall. If you truly love houseplants, dedicate an entire wall to displaying them. Install floating shelves, wall-mounted planters, or modular plant systems to create a living piece of art. Combine upright plants, trailing vines, and compact foliage varieties to achieve a balanced composition with plenty of texture. Use matching pots to maintain a cohesive, modern appearance while allowing the plants themselves to provide all the visual excitement. Position your plant wall where it receives bright, indirect light for healthy growth. This impressive feature instantly becomes the centerpiece of your home and creates a fresh atmosphere everyone will admire. Idea number 14. Let natural light complete your plant. Decor. The most beautiful indoor plant displays always make the most of natural light. Position your plants where gentle morning sunlight or bright filtered afternoon light highlights every leaf and creates soft shadows throughout the room. Avoid blocking windows with bulky furniture, allowing sunlight to flow freely across your greenery. Rotating your plants every few weeks also encourages even growth and keeps them looking balanced from every angle. Remember, light is more than a growing requirement. It becomes part of your interior design. When sunlight and healthy plants work together, every room feels brighter, warmer, and naturally more welcoming. Indoor plants do far more than decorate a room. They create a healthier, calmer, and more inviting home that reflects your personal style. Whether you start with one statement plant in a quiet corner or design an entire living plant wall, every touch of greenery brings nature closer to your everyday life. The best part is that you can build your indoor garden gradually, one beautiful plant at a time. If you enjoyed these 14 modern indoor plant decor ideas, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more plant care tips, home decorating inspiration, and creative indoor gardening ideas. Happy decorating, and see you in the next video.